This is Nancy with Fix This House, and we're here just doing a quick update on removing or shortening the cordless Venetian blinds. These are the 2-inch style faux wood, fake wood Venetian blinds, and we installed these a long time ago. You raise and lower the Venetian blind by lifting and pulling down. And I'm getting comments on the how to shorten your Venetian blind video saying, just cut the string. You're making this harder than you think. So the problem with that is that if you cut the string to take out this slat, you can cut these side strings, but you can't cut this middle one. There's one here. There's side strings in the middle section. There's side strings and a middle cord on the far right also. If you cut these strings, this is tension loaded. These two here are tension loaded, and they will retract all the way up to the top here. And then you're gonna be stuck because I don't know how to get it out of the top. So you have to follow the instructions that we put in our other video, and maybe we'll add a link down below on how to do that, but it involves cutting the slats right here and here. Take a look at that video, and I'm sorry if you've already cut your middle cord and it is retracted. I do not know how to fix that other than to get your receipt and take it back to Home Depot or wherever you purchased it and tell them the instructions were insufficient. That's all I got right now, but I just wanted to tell you, you can't just cut the cord and shorten your strings. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you're so inclined.